guys, I just woke up to this. Oh, it's kind of bright, isn't it? This is MITTERY Lake outside of Yuma, Arizona, and I'm camping for free. Look at that. Yeah, we're camping for free. Let's go for a little walk. There's lots of wildlife here. Heard coyotes this morning. It's a warm 40 degrees right now, and it's Friday morning. It was 36 when I woke up as the sun was rising. They have these cool little things you can walk out on, and there's a lot of different birds and stuff here that you can, so if you're like a bird watcher, you'd probably really like it. And it says over here by the shore, it has a sign. It says MITTERY Lake Wildlife Area, no overnight camping, right here. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? And this is free. They even have a big garbage dumpster for you to put your garbage in. A lot of people come here because they're going to go over to Mexico to get their medications or get their teeth fixed or get new glasses, you know. So this is by Yuma, really close to Yuma, Arizona, which is right pretty much on the border, I think. Look at this over here. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, it's just free. You can camp here for free. And there's a lot of places all along the road coming in. When you come in this way, you have to drive through the military proving grounds. They're called DEBS. I'll have to check that. Proving grounds, that's what it is. And you gotta be careful, you can't go off the road exploring because they say there's live ammo out there. But anyway, you drive through there. When you get to the end of the military place, then a little bit further, you come to the turnoff to go to MITTERY Lake. And then it's a dirt road about 5 or so miles to where I came. Look at this nice little walkway here. And you come to this. And then you can keep going over that way. And I guess it comes around. See, it comes around that. And then there's people camping way over there across the lake. Look at this. Isn't this cool? Look at that, isn't that beautiful? And when you're driving down in here, on the left side is a canal, which comes from the Colorado River. Probably is what is feeding this water. I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure by that's probably right. And we're not very far from Martinez Lake, where they do a lot of bass fishing tournaments. Look at that. That's just beautiful. This is free. Blows my mind, you guys. How lucky is this? How lucky is this? They do have garbage service, have a big dumpster, so if you come over here, yeah, just throw your garbage away. Don't leave it around. Look how nice it is. Let's keep it that way so they keep it free. And it's just so amazing. It's just amazing. Oh, they have a boat ramp so you can bring your boat in. I seen people kayaking out here yesterday. So, because of it being off from the river, it's not too full of currents, you know. So that's nice. And around the boat ramp, there's a bunch of docks you can go check out. Yeah, look at this. These are those palm trees that I showed off in the distance. Look at this. There's some ducks. Well, they're not ducks. Those are another kind of bird that eats the vegetation. Those ones. And I've seen those in other places. There's some people out there on their boat. Right out there. There's the little duckers. I call them ducks. They're not really ducks. I forget what they're called. See all those reeds over there? That's where those guys like to live. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. There we go. Look. It goes pretty deep. Well, not right there. Looks like it gets pretty deep. I don't want to put my phone over the water too much because that would really suck if it fell. Yeah, this is the beginning of January. I mean, the beginning of February. Beginning of February. We have a bunch of people camped over that way. We're camped over that way. The sun's shining that way, so I can't really show that. These guys are fishing over there. Fishing in the reeds. They're probably trying to get some bass. It's supposed to be good bass fishing in these lakes around here. Yeah. Bass like to be in there. Yeah, so it's really nice because they do have that boat ramp, and bring your boat. See, that's a regular motorboat. And then, like I said, I saw kayaks out here yesterday. Beautiful, beautiful lake. So, yeah, wanted to share this with you guys. I'm going to stay here for a little bit. So we'll probably be, I might check out some other places to camp. I think that's what that guy's doing. He just left from where we were parked. And see what else there is out here. How far I can go. The motorhome without being unsafe, because I promised Jeremy I would keep it safe. He just replaced the brakes and flushed my radiator. So I had no problems with overheating. It was great. Drove here just fine. And yeah, we're camping for free. Totally camping for free, you guys, right here on MITTERY Lake. with all of this beautiful, beautiful lake back here. Isn't that awesome? The sun's shining. When I turn it on this camera, the front camera, it just doesn't work as well. But yeah, this is where we're at, camping for free. I love it. Love it. Tinkerbell loves it too. Anyway, you guys have a great day. You know you can. Peace.